What's up guys, welcome to the new tutorial concerning the Bash scripting language. Today we are going to discover a little bit about the change directory command. It's useful when we want to change the directory, to go to a specific folder, for example, to go in a path, etc. So let's see a few examples. I have already in here, in my desktop, a folder called Bash. Within it we have the level 1 folder and the level 2 folder. Okay, now back to the terminal. We are going to change the directory to the desktop. CD, DE, then tab. You don't have to type all the words in there, okay? Now we are in the desktop folder. We want now to go for more than one step forward. For example, like here, CD, I have a bash and live 1 and live 2. I want to go to the live 2. This is it. Okay, now I want to go back to the recent directory, to the place where I was, just like this, and dash. I will go to this one, the recent one. Now if I want to go to the home directory, the root, all I have to do is like this. Okay, now for this, use the arrow, the up arrow, moving now to this, not this. I have to type something in here. Desk top bash live 1 live 2. Okay, I want to show you something. If we type the CD without a specific path, you are going to go to the home directory. Okay, now as I said, to the recent, like this. If I want to go one step backwards, means I want to go to the live 1. I want to go to live 1. So cd dot like this. Go back again, dot, etc. Those are the really important things you have to know about the change directory command. We have also two types of paths. We have the absolute path and the relative path. The relative path is the path, for example, from the actual or the current directory. For example, I want to go from the bash to the live 2. I want to type cd live 1 live 2. This is a relative path. Okay, now going to what it was. Now I want to go to live 2, but using the absolute path, like this. It's just like this, and the desktop bash live 1 live 2. This is the absolute path of this folder, and this is the relative path of this folder if we want to go from the bash folder. Okay, now it's the same. We are going to go to the level 2 folder. This is everything for today, and see you in another video. Take care.